Ever pondered how the most successful individuals manage to delay gratification? Or how the concept of intimacy plays a role in our relationships, particularly for those with creative minds? Well, today, we're diving deep into the fascinating realms of willpower and intimacy. Imagine willpower as a muscle. Like any muscle in your body, the more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Neuroscience tells us that adrenaline, the hormone of fear and anxiety, and dopamine, the hormone of joy, are two sides of the same coin. The only difference lies in our reaction to these sensations. The next time fear creeps in, instead of freezing, consider taking a decisive step forward. Replace the word for this sensation from fear to excitement, and do what excited people do. Take a leap of faith. Successful individuals have mastered the art of harnessing their willpower. They tackle the most uncomfortable tasks when they're at their strongest. Is it easier for you to do hard work in the morning? Then that's the perfect time to confront your most daunting tasks. Reward yourself with more pleasant work later. However, the true secret lies in learning to love the challenge. To do so, you must accept failure as part of the process. Look for it, learn from it, and strive to do better next time. Confidence isn't handed to us on a silver platter. It's earned through achieving success, which is the result of reaching the goals we set using our skills and talents. Remember, there's no shortcut to success. The journey to the finish line is as fulfilling as the result itself. Now, let's delve into the concept of intimacy. In our adult relationships, love blossoms when we allow emotional intimacy. This is our ability to be authentic and real with another person. Many creatives describe themselves as empaths, capable of feeling what others are feeling. However, this quality often leads to people-pleasing, which can result in neglecting your own needs to maintain peace. The question is this working for you? Does it make your relationships more fulfilling? Or does it feel like manipulation is the only way to meet your needs? Real intimacy requires vulnerability. It's about being your true self, not pretending to be less than you are to make others feel comfortable. This, like willpower, is a skill that can be developed. Start small, ask for what you want directly, and be prepared for rejection. It's okay to hear no. It's better to know where you stand with people, rather than protect yourself from indifference or rejection. To sum up, managing the creative mind involves harnessing willpower and fostering authentic intimacy. It's about learning to love challenges, accepting failure as part of the process, and being real in our relationships. These concepts are intertwined, and mastering them can help us achieve success, find happiness, and nurture meaningful relationships. In our next discussion, we'll explore finding your power, voice, and influence. Until then, keep growing, keep exploring, and keep creating.